Hey guys, how's it going? How to change your age on TikTok. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and open up the TikTok. Alright, and basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and then click on your profile. Since you created your account already and you already set your age and your birthday, you cannot do that, from the settings. But there's a little trick that you can pull this off. Click the three bars at the top right, click on the settings and privacy, scroll a little bit down and report a problem. And then what you're gonna do, you gotta just go ahead account and profile, right? Basically what you're gonna do and select next, you gotta just select the option of editing your profile, right? Basically what you gotta do, you can just go ahead, click other, right? And then basically click right here, need more help, right? And then basically what you gotta do next, you gotta just type your problem. I need to update my birthday info on the profile. The birth date which I've entered is incorrect. I can provide my ID card or other documents to prove my birth date info. Please help me resolve my issue as soon as possible. Alright, thanks a lot. And then if you want to support your if you want to support your report, you can just add or submit a photo or a video so we can basically prove that this is the problem or this is the issue, right? So submit your problem and then wait for TikTok to respond. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.